Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm Bear Skills. This is episode 3 of our Stalker playthrough, trying to go to A Year in the Dark. And just to you guys can see, we are on Stalker. And yeah, last video we went through the town, went over to the gas station, and went up towards the park or campground area that leads to Mystery. Looted that up, came back here, dropped off our stuff, and had a somewhat close encounter with a wolf. But for right now, let's get something to eat. Got some crackers. Eat this one. And we'll have another drink. That'll put us down in water, so we'll grab a bottle. And let's head out. We're gonna head down to the farmhouse, see what's going on down there, see if we can't get a rifle or a revolver. Weather could be better, but it's not too bad. So we'll head down anyway. And I think we do have this car to loot, and that one. We'll take those. We got a house here we need to loot over there. We'll head down to the farmhouse, see what's going on down there. We do have 22 rounds. Did we loot this? No, we didn't. We have 22 rounds for the revolver. Only got like 1 or 2 for the rifle. Either one would be fine. Probably the revolver would be better to get since we have more ammunition for it. But I'd take either one. And hopefully we'll find something good in this trunk. Flare? Or a wolf scarf. That is a win. Win-win right there. And another flare. That's nice. That way if we encounter any wolves, we can pop a flare and just walk right by them. Still hear that old wolf that's over there. He's still hanging about. Hopefully there's no wolves by the farmhouse. Chances are there probably is, but, you know, if there is, there is. But hopefully there's not. Nothing in there. Sardines. Microwave. And cabinets. Nothing there. How about here? Nothing. Come on, there's gotta be something in these cabinets. Nothing? Dang. Well, that's unfortunate. No, we can't loot the oven either. Well, we got 2 cabinets. Come on, there's gotta be something. Nothing? Wow, okay. Just hold on 1 second, guys. I am just checking to make sure I'm still recording. And I am. So, yeah, okay. Just wanted to make sure. So, yeah, sorry about that, guys. I just wanted to make sure, because I want to make sure you guys are getting to watch everything I do. And I don't want to leave anything out for you guys. Okay. We already looted that. What am I doing? Okay, I just want to make sure we didn't miss anything there. We got everything here. Still got upstairs to loot. Oh,
I think I can use this.
Finally, something worth wearing. I mean, it's not too good, but it's still better than having nothing there. Or the simple measly sports vest we had. Dusty pork and beans, 58%. Alright, well, could be worse.
Wonder if I can drop any of this gear.
No, Will, you do not have my permission to drop anything you're carrying right now. We need all of that to survive. Okay, down to the farmhouse. Let's see what we got going on down here. Weather's not too bad. We've only got one arrow down on the cold. Could be worse. Could definitely be worse. Just getting towards the end of the day. That's alright. Get up here. Just want... Okay, we got a wolf there. So we're gonna have to put off looting that little house there. Or shed, barn, whatever you want to call it. Another wolf there. So we got 2 wolves. It's not bad. Just gotta make sure we walk over this way a little bit so we don't aggro them. Like I said, wolves aren't too scary. Just gotta know what you're dealing with. Paradise Meadows Farm. This is where we'll be doing any crafting if we come across any pelts. And by come across, I mean take them by force. Whether the animal likes it or not. Cute leather, let me grab that. Anything else? Nope. Some lantern fuel though, that's nice. Got the rope there. I won't pick that up for now. Got a nice whetstone. Some soda. Come on, give me hacksaw. Knife.
This stuff will come in handy.
Flare? Yeah, could be worse. Definitely take a flare. They'll come in handy. Check this tractor. Yep, there's the key. And a knife. 56%. Okay, well, we do have quite a few whetstones, so we can repair that knife up along with our hatchet. We'll head over here and see what's in the truck. Probably grab some of those mushrooms on that stump. Head around to the back of the house. There's usually a couple pieces of firewood or something back there. Maybe even a dead guy. He might have a tool or something on them. Okay, nothing there. What am I doing? Heading right back where I came from. That's not what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to grab mushrooms. 3 of them here. We can get these cooked up. All those nice cooking pots we got back at home. Got a couple pieces of cedar. Some simple tools. Wolf there. Looks like he's eating. You can hear him a little bit chomping down. So I'm assuming he's probably having a nice feast on a rabbit right now. As I didn't see any deer when we came from the bridge. Okay. Trail boots, stack of papers, thin wool sweater. Probably better than something we've got on. Yep, that's better. Book. Some more books, more papers. I'm not seeing a rifle anywhere. Come on, game. Don't make me have to go to treacherous areas to get a rifle. Or a revolver. I'll take either one, I don't care. Broom. Man, I kinda thought that was a rifle for a second. I'm disappointed. Well, it looks like probably our rifle is unfortunately going to be over in the church. It's possibly there. Which is so unfortunate. But it is what it is. We're going to have to go there. But I need a rifle. It's unfortunate, but we can manage. We can definitely definitely manage. You know, if it was Interloper, we wouldn't even get a gun. We'd have to make our own bow. And we do have a hatchet, which means we can... Some more soda, nice. Rifle cartridge. You know, so we will... We need to keep a lookout, actually, since we do have a hatchet, for any saplings we can cut down. So we can start carrying them up to make a bow. Nothing there. Another cooking pot.
Feels like a lot of gear.
Nope. That's my bad, misclicked. Here. Nothing there. How about here? Pork and bean, 78%. Alright. Nothing there. Got that one searched. Microwave, nothing there. Okay. There is a 6-burner stove here. Piece of venison. Let's take a look at that. Well. If it wasn't for the wolves, I'd say we'd take it. But the wolves are there. More revolver ammunition and a rifle cartridge. Oh man, and a bunch of food. Peaches, tomato soup, pork and beans. Good eat. We do got quite a bit of food. Spray paint can. Let's get rid of that. Drop. I have no... Ooh, stump remover. I'm gonna need that. Got 3 stump removers already. That's pretty nice. That'll be a nice little jump start to crafting ammunition when we eventually make our way to Blake Inlet. And I think we did loot everything here. So... yeah, I'm kind of disappointed, actually. We didn't manage to find a rifle or a revolver. That is so unfortunate. Wow, we are moving really slow. You know what? We have so much of it. Let's chug a little bit of coffee. I'm moving kind of slow, guys. Apologize. I know it's probably a little bit boring, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And I don't want to leave anything behind. But, you know, I think we'll make it. We'll definitely make it back to the Grey Moat's house. Wolves aren't too... You know, if you're just gonna leave the wolves alone, you don't really bother them. They'll leave you alone. So, yeah, he's doing his own thing. His buddy. He's kind of doing his own thing, too. Yeah. It's fine. Thankfully, we aren't losing too much of our temperature meter right now, even though the wind is blowing a little bit. We've got decent clothing. Decent. It's not bad. You know, if we... hopefully we'll get like a decent condition rifle, or, you know, actually I'd rather have a revolver right now, honestly. We got so much more ammunition. You know, and it's pretty much as effective, for the most part. Unless you're going after something like St. Moose. But, you know, maybe we'll get lucky and we'll be at the church. If it's not at the church, sadly, I think we're going to have to go past the church, up the road, up past where there's the bridge with all the vehicles on it, which is almost always has a bear. Yeah, you can see the rabbit. He was actually chomping on over there, right between those 2 trees. But yeah, that bridge almost always has a bear, which he's not too hard to get around, but it's still kind of annoying if we have to go all the way there. But if we do, we do. Now, hopefully, we find the rifle at the church. If we do, then we can start hunting. Now, we could start hunting these wolves now, but that would require some supplies, more than I really want to give up at this point in time, and it would take some time. And I'd rather not right now. I'd rather just get a firearm and deal with it that way. If it comes down to it, you know, we can work on it. But we got so much food right now. Our clothing is not that bad. So, yeah. I do apologize though, guys, if you are hoping for a little bit more exciting gameplay early on into this series, but sadly, you know, sometimes there's just kind of mute points. We're just kind of slow walking back to home. But I promise you guys, we will do some interesting things later on, I promise you. There is some very fun things we're going to do together. Few tricks and methods I have up my sleeve for dealing with a few things that I think you guys might enjoy and might even be able to implement into your own games, if you ever so choose to. So, well, there may be some episodes here. Oh, it's a deer. Well, there may be some episodes here. He's having a dance up there. We may have a little bit of time throughout here that it can be a little mute and boring. But I promise you guys, in future episodes to come, there will be some exciting things happening. For sure. Yeah, there is a deer there. Dang, now I really wish we had a rifle. I'd crack him and then, boom, there's like 20 pounds of meat or more. But, the plus side is though there's these hills that kind of block our vision, if the old deer's running around in front of us, he'll take any aggro that a wolf would be aggroing on us, it'll aggro on the deer, and it'll take down the deer. But based upon the... Ooh, got some rabbits too. Let's get some rocks out. That's what I've been waiting for. Rabbit hunt. And the deer. He's just looking out for us, he is. Our good old friend the deer. Got the rabbit here. Can we get to him in time? Dang it. Aw, man. Ah. Man, that was my bad. I'm so used to console. Because on console, the throw button and the pickup button are different. Man. Okay, we're gonna get you, rabbit. Here comes yours. Ha. Got ya. Alright, we'll pick up our rock we used. Nice, we do got some rocks outside here. Have plenty of ammunition for rabbit hunting. But now we got a nice rabbit to skin up. We can get the hide curing, we can get the guts going. With the guts, we can start getting those ready to make some snares for rabbits. Once we get snares going, it's over for the rabbits. Rabbit extinction. Definitely hunt a lot of rabbits before we get done in this region, that's for sure. We'll definitely, before we leave, we'll make some rabbit mints and a rabbit hat, at the very least, before we leave Milton. Okay, we are super heavy. Let's get all this nice juicy loot back into where it needs to go. Put all those in there. That's good. Get all these stored up. Man, we got like 30 rounds of... Yeah, 32 rounds of revolver ammunition and no revolver to shoot it with. That's unfortunate. Put you there.
I'm gonna need to rest soon.
Put the better ones away. We do have antibiotics. That's nice. So, If we get food poisoning or chance of infection, we can deal with it properly. So that's really nice. We've got a nice bit of mushrooms and rose hips. We can start to craft up. I think we can make 4 cups of tea with that. Some more of that. Put these sticks down. We've actually got a lot of food. Usually I don't really get this much food through Milton. Usually I get more like clothing through Milton. This is one of the first times I've had so much food. I mean, it doesn't look like a lot because it's all mushed up in a pile. But it's quite a bit of food. Alright. What do we have that's so heavy? Clothing is what's weighing us down. Okay, we need to break some of that up. But we need to... Where is he? Let's get him harvested up. Yep, get all that. Now we could use the hatchet. It'd take 1 hour and 24 minutes, use 278 calories. Or we can use our hand. If we use the hatchet, we do lose condition, which is finite. You know, these run out eventually. 1 hour, 57 minutes. 1 hour, 24 minutes. We don't really lose a lot of time. So we're better off to just do this. You know, whenever you're harvesting rabbits, you're pretty much always better off to use your hand. Now we'll drop off pelt. Drop off gut. And we will step outside to throw the meat. If you guys didn't know, putting raw meat or cooked meat outside in the snow will help it keep longer. Fun fact. So you just go like so. Drop, drop. Nothing will come eat it as of yet. They might add something in the future of this game that might come steal your food, but as of right now, nothing takes your food, and it lasts a lot longer out here in the snow. Okay. It's getting pretty dark. Still see barely, but we can kind of make out where we're going. Okay, grab those. Eat the energy bar. Tomato soup. Can we get... nope, don't want that. Take that. We'll eat that up. We'll drink these 2 low-condition sodas. Okay, and pretty good for go. Grab our lantern, light that so we can see where we're going. Ah, so much better. So much better. We can actually see what we're doing. Grab a water bottle. Got this. Put that there. No, we don't want to do that. We want to put this here. Okay. And we'll head up for the night. Head to bed. And see where we're at in the morning. Nope, that's not what I want to do. That's not what I want to do. That's what I want to do. Oh, okay. And H is how you put things away. Oh, H for holster. That makes sense. I wish I would have paid more attention previously. Nope. Can you hear that, guys? Staticky sound? That's the Aurora. Definitely don't want to be up and about when that's going on. For the most part. I mean, if you're inside, it's fine, but you don't want to be outside. You definitely don't want to be outside during the Aurora. If you get hit by a wolf, it's pretty much donezo. That's when you do want to be scared of wolves. Okay. Drink more. Got plenty of food. We'll sleep some more. Alright. Okay, well, let's see what we got going. How's the weather looking? Okay. We can work with this. It's not too bad. Oh, that's... Oh man, is that 3 wolves? Man, it kind of looks like that pack kind of moved in a bit closer. I don't really appreciate that, wolves. I kind of gave you your space. You're supposed to give me mine. That's not right. That's just disrespectful. Now you're all gonna have to suffer for that. You just wait until I get a rifle or a revolver. Or I get mad enough and I use alternative methods. Ooh, hatchet. Another one? My lucky day. Okay, we're gonna try and get to the church. We might get lucky though. Those wolves do kind of make it a pain in terms of getting home. But because they're there, we might be able to... Okay. Don't try this at home. I'm gonna skirt down. No sprains, alright. Yeah, we didn't even take condition points. Sweet. Cattails. Don't mind if I do. Could grab those. It's a little close though. I'm kind of trying to stay here. Now, just in case, as I've said before, I'm not too afraid of wolves when they're, you know, alone. But when it's a big pack like that, you want to be careful. So I will get a flare out in preparation. If any of them get a little too feisty, I'll just ignore the flare and hasta la vista. It is looking to be quite a nice day out, actually. I thought it might turn into some fog. But it looks like we're going to get a real nice clear day. Albeit it is kind of cold. Well, we successfully got past that. Now, those wolves are still going to be there, so we're going to come back. Ooh, maple sapling, up there. We're going to grab that on our way back. We are going to head over, cut under the bridge like we just did to come here. We're going to follow the river all the way back down to where that bridge is that takes you to the farmhouse. We'll cut up around that and we'll get back to the grandmother's that way. That way we can avoid the wolves there. And yeah, it does look like those wolves that were over here moved over that way.
Cold is making
So I'm
my head
assuming there
feel
was
thick.
probably a 4th one with that pack that I just didn't see. Alright guys, it does look like we're out of time for this episode. So if you guys liked, make sure to remember to like and subscribe. And check out some of my other content. Check back in the next episode and see if we do find the rifle in the church. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. See ya.